Hello tutor, my name is Haiti Ramiro Mohana Soy. I'm 21 years old. I am from Mocoa. Today is my day of rest. I am single, or could I say happily unmarried. I live with a friend. I like to go to the gym, also sing. These are the two photographs that I choose. Every year we celebrate my birthday. I was celebrating my birthday. This is me, Ramiro. This is one day of clubs and Mocoa. Can dance all night and I don't not get tired. Every you we meet or celebrate the day of love and a friendship. We are discovering our secret friend. The girl on my right is my friend, and one on the other side is a co-worker. I was happy I could have laughed all night. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.